welcome back into my channel. So today I am so excited to share this with you because I just got this portable blender that I got from Amazon. So I read a lot of good review on this product, so I decided to get my first portable blender. So, and before we start, and if you are new into this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So as you can see in here, this is my prep, and I got a strawberry because we were gonna make a smoothies. I got banana, I got cuties, I got avocado, but we're not gonna use the avocado, and I got the chia seeds. So I had this for at least like a year. It's been a long time, and marami pa talaga siya. And also this one comes in the package. This is the ice maker, but I think the ice is start to melt a while because I decided to cut the banana, peel the cuties, and cut the strawberry because I don't want this video to be super long. Okay, I'm trying not to make this video long. So first, let me explain this. So in here, the button right here, this is where you attach the cable to charge into your computer or into your wall. So it's look like this, and this is the click button right here, and this is all the instruction. So it says here that double click to start, and keep the base away from children, of course, because this one, guys, is made out of glass. See, did you hear that? So please use the ice tray given only. So this is what I'm talking about. You are not allowed to use the big ice cube, but if you have a crushed ice, that's okay. And please keep 1/3 of the bottle empty at least. Clean the base with a rag, no soaking. So it is easy to clean, that's right. So let's open this, and we were gonna put our strawberry first. Strawberry milkshake at night. Just kidding. So let's do this. Make some space for the other stuff. This one, and so I only use half of the banana because I think the banana is too big. Use the banana and cuties. Go. More banana. So it's right here, and banana. And let's use the ice because the ice is already melting. Woo! Oh, that is messy. So yeah, I decided not to use the ice anymore. So, and next is this one. So let's use this. I am gonna use 1 scoop of chia seed. Chia is so popular, and you know that. And instead of water, I am gonna use milk because the first smoothie that I make, I use water. It's not taste good. So let's try the milk. I'm so excited. You guys excited? I'm super duper excited. So let's use the milk, and let's cover this, and let's start. So there's your smoothie. And Sammy wants to go outside. He is calling me. Can you wait a little bit, Sammy? So let's start this again. So that's it, guys. And I have this lid right here for the bottom in here. So you can use that if you want to. Like, you have to remove this one. Make sure that there is no smoothies in there, and then put that down and use the lid, and then ta-da, and then you can go. I mean, isn't that so cool? Like, but you have to be very, very careful because this one is made up out of glass, and he really wants to go. I'm just gonna let him go. So where was I? So you need to be very, very careful because this one is made out of glass and you don't want to drop this. So this is 300 ml. So this is on the go, and you can always put this in your purse and go to work, go somewhere. And if you wanna go on a travel, you can always bring this all together, especially camping. And you want to make a daiquiri. Oh my god, that's the best part. So anyway, let's try to drink this because I'm so excited to try. I think it's better with milk, not with water. It's better with milk. I think that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. And once again, this is iNovemberain, ang nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihang manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kahirapan. And I thank you. Ang gulo na sa amin, promise.